Are you interested in a career as a data analyst? A data analyst processes raw data into meaningful information that drives important business decisions. The demand for data analysts is increasing across various industries like manufacturing, marketing, travel, energy, and more. 10 benefits of starting your career as a data analyst. High demand. Skilled data analysts are in high demand, making it a sought-after profession worldwide. Competitive salary. Data analysts enjoy high salaries and competitive perks from entry-level to senior-level positions. Decision-making contribution. Data analysts play a crucial role in shaping company decisions by providing valuable insights. Growth opportunities. Progress from junior to senior positions and advance your career with experience and leadership skills. Travel opportunities. Data analysis may require you to travel, offering new experiences and enhancing your skills. Job security. With increasing data creation and collection, the demand for data analysts remains high, providing job security. Diverse job opportunities. Data analysts can find opportunities across various industries like technology, finance, health, and more. Industry transformation. Data analytics is transforming industries, offering opportunities to apply your skills in new and exciting ways. Personal satisfaction. Transforming raw data into meaningful information brings a sense of accomplishment and personal fulfillment. Respect and recognition. Data analysts hold a respected position within companies that rely on data-driven decision-making. In a data-driven world, the demand for skilled data analysts will continue to rise. Pursuing a career in data analysis opens doors to a fulfilling and prosperous future. Join the growing field of data analytics and become an invaluable asset in driving business success.